When many a housewife goes into her kitchen to prepare the day's food, little does she know how the local pots we love to use are made. In Bombali, northern Sierra Leone, pot making is a very interesting and a somewhat daunting task.
Na pan bok. Then bok them. We can float dirty up.
Okay.
We can haze her up so. And then dirty then they work with. They go take them, can knock them, scatter them, smash them. Fine. Go sift us and sa. Get me, come put them. Knock them till if you buy like cement. That's any side you turn for mold, they do flat. So the aluminium now, they go, then gas pots then. Now they use as cooking pots. Understand? Now they cut, now they put the aluminium, then gearbox, then Land Rover body, then DAF body them, then Cambia, cup them. All them and then they will melt them. And that gas pot. Hold on. You take this battery we use already. You take burner inside. Hold on burner. We don't red. We knock up. We get this spoon. We a long one for make the fire not reach through it. They knock out, mix all that and then all the metal aluminium they go down, the dirty float up. This way also now the whole pot they will take. Come to and they will mold the dirty. Open them, pull the pots like I see and normal now. Now so they full up and the dirty. From there, butan, don't make fine bed, butan so. Don't butan so. Bring like this box, put on there. Put on there, put sand, put this dirty. Take stick now, and the stick then this road they use. The repeater now, tron, and we don't tron. Bust the hole. Who bust the hole? Mark here. Like I they see this mark. Like I they see that mark. Who don't mark and down? Haste the box. That time the dirty, the pot, all they grab together. The mulling where they come on inside the pot, the left na ground. Like that one there. Yeah. So now the mulling down there. When now the ordinary dirty. I don't left under so from there, this wire so would they soak the pot right down. Who don't soak on? They say, when I soak it, they soak and so. We don't soak and so now, they knock them. We don't knock them, it grab, it pull them.
So this one they can pull out?
Yes, this will they pull them. Now the ordinary dirty now, I ain't go left. That this wire so now, it mark Usa, it come out in space. Inside this common tool they pull them. We take this box, we return them back to that mulling. This wire and space, and this hole where they see, now they can't turn the metal now. We turn in one. It circulates the space where this come out. Okay. All I see this mark here where it come out so now so the metal they work. Once you inside 2 to 3 minutes, it don't cool. We cool now, open the box. Don't be a pot. Hold on.
These pots come in all shapes and sizes, and as imported pots manufactured with stainless steel become more expensive, pot makers have improved on their skill to produce pots to meet every demand. Not even the three-legged pots of our great-great-grandparents are left out of their products.